Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. This is the underside of the kitchen sink. It's the cold water supply line, and the valve's not working. So what we're gonna do today is swap this out. Just I don't know if you can see. Lighting is not the greatest. That's what we're swapping out today. That thing in the center, and yeah, hopefully won't be too painful. So I wasn't sure how it's made it into the copper pipe, whether it's a female side or a male side, so I got both connectors. Now this is special because under the kitchen sink you often have the output is 3/8 of an inch male, and sometimes, in this case, it's actually a dual head. It's got a 1/4 inch nipple as well for the ice maker. So that's why this one is will prove to be particularly tricky. And I just want to take a moment to vent a little bit. So last time I changed this out, I believe these plumbing parts, I haven't done plumbing in a while, so these plumbing parts were probably like, let's say $5 or $6, and I just spent $27 on a freaking valve. So this inflation's really getting out of control. We really got to do something about it. Anyway, hopefully these DIY videos will help you save some money, but with parts the way they are, I don't know. All right, more to come. All right, just so we have closure on this issue, what I ended up doing was cutting the pipe. I couldn't remove the prior insulation. It was too well stuck in there. So I cut the pipe and put a shark bite 1/4 turn in there. So in the process, because I used a 1/2 inch to a 3/8 inch port out, I ended up losing one connection. So I'll have to go back to the hardware store and get a 3-way to kind of get one of the pipes reconnected. Just want to show you the result. So this is what we took out, and it was very well stuck in there. I had to use the entire torque arm, 2 pipe wrenches, and a giant crescent wrench to really break this open out in the open. So yeah, lessons learned. All right, I hope this helps you, man. It's a huge pain in the butt. I suppose that's why we pay plumbers. Take care. Bye-bye.